Hi, this is Renee Olivia, and we are going to be talking about aging and little tips and tricks on how to regain your joint comfort and your bone and muscle health. With the spotlight on the Ageless Multi-Collagen plus Turmeric powder, we definitely need to talk about this. So, with aging, I have noticed, and I'm sure you have too, all the little fun things that happen with aging, such as more wrinkles, thinner hair. However, specifically in this video, I do want to focus more on my joint and muscle and bone health first, okay? So as I've gotten older, my number one trick for helping in my exercise recovery, all of those things that come along with aging, is collagen powder. And there are a ton of different collagen powders out there, I know that. But let's talk about BioTrust and why I feel like it's a really great product.
First of all, they added in turmeric. Turmeric provides antioxidant support, promotes detoxification, supports joint health, as well as many other amazing benefits.
Okay, so really important, never clumps. It is non-GMO, and it has 5 different types of collagen as opposed to others who probably put 1 or 2 in. But here it specifically states it has the 1, 2, 3, 5, and 10 collagen types. So that is really important. Okay, so because this does not clump, it's super easy to put in any liquid like water, your tea, your coffee, my personal favorite, my smoothie. I put in all my favorite foods that help with my joint aches and pains, and then I have all these amazing ingredients and beneficials in this as well. So it is a win-win, tasty and beneficial.
Check out their website by clicking the link in the description box below for up to 51% off plus free shipping.
Okay, I'm going to list all of the benefits here as well for collagen powder. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm happy to answer anything that you have. And let's get into some other great tips and tricks on what I do to help with my joints, aches and pains, and muscle and bone health. Okay, so exercise, especially low impact exercise, is really important. Walking, if you're not into the overexerting, because you don't want to, if you do have really bad muscle aches and pains, don't overexert yourself. Also, it's important to maintain a healthy weight. Don't go crazy, but it really does help relieve the stress on your knees, your hips, your spine. So it's really important to do that. And you can do that with a healthy, balanced diet, which is another really important thing that you need to be thinking about, especially over 40, over 50. As we get older, the diet and the food that you put in your mouth, really extremely important. So I'm also gonna list on the screen some really important foods that you should be trying to incorporate into your diet to help with that. A few other things I want to point out is it's really important to maintain really proper posture. I know it's hard sometimes, but proper posture will really help alleviate any pains in your joints. Also, stay hydrated, not only for your overall health, but it will help lubricate your joints as well. Okay, the last thing I want to talk about is mind-body techniques. Practices such as yoga, tai chi, meditation, really great for your joints. It not only reduces your stress, but it also can help with flexibility, which also helps with your joint.
Okay, so let's talk about my personal favorite, stretching and yoga. It not only helps with my joint aches and pains, which at my age I have a lot of those, but it also helps with my flexibility. And the bonus is it does help to relieve the stresses I have throughout, your normal life. We're gonna have stresses. So this definitely helps. It's my me time, and making time for your self-care is super important. Don't forget that.
Okay, so that was my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, like it, save it, and share it with a friend. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell. That way you never miss any of my videos.